bloody thing. Olympus 100 to 400 millimeter bazooka blown up. I'll show you. I was halfway through that photo walk. Please check the status of the lens. Well, what status? Looks alright to me. Anyway, after a couple of Googles and forums and... Well, first thing I did was factory reset. Did nothing. Then I thought maybe I'll reseat it. Something, whatever. Blow on the contacts, give them a bit of a wipe down. Same shit. So then I thought, oh, maybe I'll chuck it on my EM10. Same shit. I thought maybe it's the camera, so I put a good lens on my EM1 Mark II. I put this lens on there and it worked. So it's not the camera, it's the lens. And if you listen, come closer. You hear that? It goes tick and then tock. Obviously the cable or some shit in there is gone. Anyway, I rang up the company that I bought it from, and basically all they're going to do is just send it back to Olympus. I only bought it in July, so lucky I kept my receipt. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. I'll come back in a month. G'day, how you going? So, update on my Olympus 100 to 400 lens. As you know, when I was on a photo walk, it broke. Some error. It's been 6-7 weeks now with Olympus OM systems. Not Olympus, and it's back. There it is. Now they fixed it. Well, not really. They didn't fix it. Jerry, they didn't really fix it, did they? What did they do? They replaced it. So what happened? What happened in the email? They said something about, sorry about that. Sorry it's taking so long. This is OM systems, because I saw the email, and they said, yeah, it's hard to find the parts or some crap. So here's a brand new one. So awesome. And I think I'm getting another whole year warranty on top of that. So obviously, because it's a new one, so cop that. So let's do a little unboxing. Ta-da! There it is. Brand new, out of the box, Olympus 100 to 400. Yeah, 5 to 6.3. So 100 is 5 aperture and 400 is 6.3 aperture. And micro four thirds. So you do the Tony Northrup calculation. I don't really care about that. All I care about that is it works, it's sharp, and it's really up close. When you get that error on the back of your screen, bad luck. You got to get Olympus OM systems to fix it, or if it's out of warranty, even more bad luck. You got to pay for them to fix it. That's from what I reckon, because I don't think you can. I don't think there is any other solution other than something's gone wrong internally with the motor or the connections or God knows. So when I got it, I was very tempted, because it's brand bloody new, to sell it. Hey Jerry, huh? Because I took that 300 vintage out and I started to realize, man, 300 is enough for an amateur like me who's not gonna, go out into the Sahara, to try and get up close to like full on, lions and stuff. It's just a little bit too big to be comfortable when you're out in the field for that, just for that extra 100 reach on top of the 300. And I'm talking about the 75 to 300, because I've had a go of that, and that is so small and so lightweight compared to this, sure, it's 300. It doesn't go all the way to 400, and it's, you know, not a professional lens and waterproof and all that crap. But for me, it probably would have been the wiser choice. I think I mentioned that before anyway. So, and then I went out and shot the moon, and I thought, stuff that, I'm keeping it. Because that extra reach is awesome, you know. And I thought, oh, I'll probably regret selling it, you know, because it's brand new. I thought, oh shit, I'll sell this now, you know, brand new. I'll get the same price back. Nah, I'm gonna keep it, because I'll probably kick myself later on. Hey Jerry, I'll probably kick myself. Oi, you like the 400? That way, you know, keep it, Rob, because you'll kick yourself later when you really want that extra reach, and it's a better lens anyway. I mean, obviously it's 3 times the price. So anyway, that's it for me. So if you did come here wanting to know how to fix that error, bad luck. Send it back to OM Systems and they'll fix it. Thanks for watching. Jerry, oi, too busy licking. I'll see you on the next one.